Hello, this video is about replacing the lower A-arm bushings on a Polaris Ranger 2013 model mid-size. These are the numbers for the bushings and pivot shaft, but there is a complete set you can also buy. There is no need to take off the tire and wheel. Clean housing and put a small amount of grease on the inside. Make sure that both the old and new items are the same. The number on the box is for a complete set. I put anti-seize on the bolts for easier installation. Put a small amount of grease inside the shaft. Push or tap new bushings in. Shaft and bushings are now in place. This was when I was tapping out the old bushings. I did not have to remove the front bumper due to my bushings being previously replaced. Now you need to line up the lower A-arm into the housings on the framework and install. You may have to jiggle the lower A-arm some to get it installed correctly. My bushings were previously installed, so make sure you put the heads of the bolt on the insides. Finish with a small amount of grease. Give me a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.